Athina Ioannou usually works with textiles, common or precious, cutting them in different forms and soaking them in linseed oil. The oil enhances the physical quality of the fabric, intensifies the color, and gives a degree of transparency to the painting surface. Trying to reach the essence of painting, the artist creates floating compositions in which she explores themes such as rhythm, light, and movement. Athina Ioannou perceives her interventions as traces of a presence. When she is invited to create in situ installations, a relationship with the space unfolds and grows progressively. She begins with sketches and annotations. The project will then change repeatedly until the final decision, which will always depend on the space itself. The dialogue is crucial. Light and architectural features influence Athina Ioannou's ever-changing creations, but the artwork also reveals its surrounding to themselves. Whether it be standalone pieces or large-scale in situ installations, the strength of her artistic practice comes from her ability to sacralize the banal through minimal and poetic gestures.
The truth is that what I desire is not answers, rather the opposite, namely to generate questions through presentation. I like to work in a way that is direct, transparent, seemingly simple, almost letting things reveal themselves. That's what interests me most. I perceive painting in the same way as I feel poetry, as something that we should not try to explain, to comprehend with a sense of educating. It is essential to live it, to feel it, and this is the relationship. Personally, I do not care to render an artwork that describes something with a pictorial concept of descriptiveness, that of being educational or illustrational. It is a language that interests me. An action, an intervention, a presence, a situation can become language. And indeed, why not, a new language, to be able to be read and written, to be, to exist.